Sport will take care.
Oh,
85! Hi, Madam C, and welcome to a slightly drizzly services and the Zach's Garage BMW i8. We are heading up to the Shelsley Walsh hill climb in the i8 to do a supercar driver event. We're going to share the driving and it's just going to be a great day out despite the drizzle. So let's get in the car and see what we can see. Oh, you love a dihedral door, don't you? Bum first, then feet. Oh, I'm sat on crisps.
oh, my sausage.
Oh, sorry. Ugh. Honestly, I was getting ready to like start like, what am I going to say? Well, this is the i8. It's lovely in here. Very. It's smooth and comfortable and relaxing. We're in Ormsley, and this is the i8. It's very BMW, blue stitching and some blue lights. Are they lights?
They are lights.
They are lights. How many cars are going to be there? 12?
No, there's an i8 there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. What colour?
Yeah, silver.
Silver.
Yeah, silver, blue.
Yeah.
Silver.
That is a small house. So this is a 3-cylinder hybrid for those who don't know. It has more wheels that are driven than it does cylinders. That is a pleasant view. Oh my god, he has neons on the front. Bring neons back.
Oh, that's a nice little river.
That is a nice little river. It's quite a big little river. Sport. Sport. Oh, it's in sport.
It's in sport.
You're toying with my emotions driving at 22 miles per hour. 23. I have spotted 4 cars in front, a lorry and an Aston Martin V8 Vantage that's now blocked by the Touareg. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's got like an AML stripe. It's probably an AML Vantage.
Do you mean an AMR?
Yes. Oh, it's got an AMR stripe. It's probably an AMR Vantage. It's an Aston Martin Lagonda, like every single Aston Martin. And this is George, by the way. He's going to be joining us today. He is a cow. That is where we are heading. George flew into my groin there. He was like, oh, hello. Any opportunity, George. But here we are at the sheep farm that is Shelsley Walsh hill climb with a lovely purple 600 LT in front of us. Oh, straight away, a Mosler. So today is going to be quite a nice and chilled day of supercars driving up the Shelsley Walsh hill climb. So we are in the i8. We're getting ready to go up. The track is just opening. We've got a Ferrari blue Porsche 911 GT3 RS.
And today, Lord Timepieces have sponsored this video, and you can get 10% off your order using add-on 10, following the link in the description below. Right, let's have a go on track.
George is going to enjoy the ride as well. So we've got the AMG GTR in front of us. We've got a Nissan GTR and a GTC for Lusso. Oh, go! It's green. We are not knowing. Oh, it's that way. Oh, this is scenic. Oh, I know where we are. I recognise the location. Are your ears popping? Mine
Yeah,
are.
actually. Jesus, they just did.
It's a hill. The final acceleration to the finish line. Here we go. Where are we going to go to? That is 81. Across the line. That's like the Goodwood Festival of Speed.
It is, yeah.
You're alright, you're alright, you're alright. So the trouble with the i8 is they have dihedral doors, and because we're parked that close to the GT3, I can't get out. So I'll pass the camera to Zach for some vlogging.
Here we go. So I'm going to take you all outside. We're going to see some cars.
I'll just stay and fucking cow.
So we have 600 LT. We've got GT3 RS, we've got GT3, we've got another 600. We've got this mad purple R8, of which I know has a cool exhaust. We've got the M2, we've got the 720, I mean listen to that. We've got the Lotus. How's it going, alright? How's it going? Then we've got the Lusso, listen to that. We've got the GTR and the GTR in the same colours. I'm sorry, I'm not doing a very good Adam C, but this is the best I can do.
But whatever goes up must come down, so we are now slowly convoying back down the hill to get once again to the bottom and have another go. I say slowly, you just floored it. I say slowly. We just afford it. That is the site, LT with Huracan. Huracan, you see what I mean. So our next one, we will hopefully be behind Samuel L. Jackson. Fanboys will know what I mean. This time we're going to go on green rather than just after green. There it goes! Okay, let's... Oh, that's quicker than last time. We're more confident now. Oh, it is narrow. It's good fun though. This is the dangerous corner that people just... Okay, yeah, it works. We've got the wall on the side, the comforting barriers, and the zzz. Oh, there's the... There they are. Oh, it's slippery. What are we getting up to? Oh, we didn't quite beat 81.
Do you think it's dead?
I think we have set the tone for the day. In a general theme, we go up the hill quite quickly and then go down the hill quite slowly, but following a nice view, with an AMG GTR behind and the Huracan in front.
Hey look, Adam, it's a brrrr.
Oh, there's the brrrr.
He's a happy cow.
This Moser is the car of the event for me. I love it. I love a Moser. It's essentially a homologated road-going Le Mans car with an LSV8. Here's the rest of the cars. We've got the Aurora 720S V12 Vantage, Aerial Nomad, another 600 LT, Alfa Romeo 4C, Huracan Performante 600 LT, 458 Spider, Lotus Exceed 350 Sport. That'd be good fun. And there is the AMR Aston Martin Vantage. So I'm going to take a little walk up towards the start line to see some of these cars go up. I really want to see the Mosler and hear the Mosler go up the hill. Who have we got next? There's a 458 Spider next to go. So I think a few of these cars are still on their first runs of the day. There is a Mondeo ST in Ford Imperial Blue, ST200. But next up is the purple 600 LT from McLaren. And then we've got the Huracan Performante, this one all-wheel drive, so hopefully we'll get some good traction off the line. I don't think I have heard any launch controls yet, but hopefully here we go. That's amazing! It's all the way at the top of the hill and you can still hear the Huracan. There goes the LT. He's on his sighting lap. Control quite allowed that vigorous start. We'll see more of that later, I am sure. Next up is the 720S, that V12 though. Oh, 720S. It is very slippery underfoot and no one is warming up their tyres first because it's not quite that kind of event. We have the Lotus Evora next. That's the V12 Vantage. Okay, here we go. The Moser is having an attempt at the hill. He really could not put the power down in that proper old school beast that is the Mosler. Hello, sir. All right, George, you ready for this? Green means go. It's a blind row over the hill. Oh, we're keeping going. First bend, round we go. Keep it tight. Oh, the whole track is tight. Jesus. Oh, there's some rumbles there. Some buzzers. Here's the slippery one, though. Do take care, sir.
I'm not going to.
Yes. There we go. And floor it. There we go. The speedo can't quite keep up. Cows. Oh, here's one.
Moo.
Moo. Oh, there's another 4C. Spider. Go, go, go! Another advantage of being at the top of the hill is there's data signal here, so you can do some Instagram posts, whereas at the bottom you can't. We do also have the car of the moment at the moment that has turned up with an Akrapovic exhaust kit, the GI Yaris. This one almost like an Aston Martin green. Prep it. Here he goes. Or not. Oh.
Oh no.
Ah, we missed it. They are very excited. Spectators over the brow of the hill. First bend. Keep it tight on the inside. Go out wide as you can. Narrow track going up the hill again. Bear round to the left. Keep it tight on the inside once again. Zoom in too fast so you can't see. A bit of rumble strips, maybe avoid them. Little bit slippery. Here's the tight and slippery uphill bend. Go. Nice and safe. Clean around the last corner and blast it to top speed. 41, 49, 55, 60, 65, 70, 74, 78, 82, 85. 86, I saw an 86 there. Oh, the loud R8's behind us. Brum. Brum brum. But from Shelsley Walsh, that will be it for now. So we're going to hop back in the BMW i8 and continue our day. I might have a little go, but I think the Mosler MT900 was the star of the show today. Did a few runs, but yes, let's hop in to the i8. Say something. Yeah. They're all over. Oh my God. There's hundreds of them and just a pheasant in the middle. Oh, here they come. Oh no, they're all coming. Do you think they're hungry? Now you may be wondering why I've gathered you all here. Oh, he's broken. They're calling us a mare. It's a bit of a mare. Yeah, this could be the farmer coming now. Look at his little face. Look at him. Right, I think, on that note, it's my turn to drive. Bye! So I probably should update the camera. We are heading to Morgan HQ to have a look at some Morgans, funnily enough. I'm going to take the i8 there and see what we can see. So I am driving the i8 for the first time. It's punchy, it's torquey, it's not lightning fast, but it's fast enough to be a sports car for what it is. Pop it into manual. Wow, that made a difference. You can tell it's fake noise though. It's
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
It's not far off noise though.
It's just coming from the wrong place. It's about as fast as I expected it to be. Oh, we're here. This is impressive. I didn't actually notice the big Morgan Motor Company sign and the Morgans. Okay. Whistle-stop tour of the factory at Morgan. So great to see traditional methods twinned with a lot of modernisation and the really dedicated team crafting away. They've been in this factory for over 100 years now and it's all very traditional, but they've adapted to modern times and regulations. So here are some of the press fleet in front of the brand new visitor centre, which of course rather fittingly is made of wood. All of their British source ash frame in the factories and on the building as well is what Morgan is known best for. So here is the little lineup. Here is the Part X, an older Morgan, whereas the new Plus 6s and Plus 4s have BMW engines like the straight 6 from the new Supra. So hopefully very soon I'll get a chance to have a go in a Morgan myself. But we're going to go get some food now in the i8 and then head home. So that was our day at the Shelsley Walsh hill climb, my first time being there with Supercar driver, and then finishing the day off at the Morgan factory. So I hope you enjoy that video. Thanks to Zach from Zach's Garage for giving me the ride in the i8 and the drive as well. So go follow me on Instagram for all the weekly updates and highlights about these meets that I go to and more. But for now, thanks for watching.